Today I'm going to show you how to use the vote creation log and pulse ID columns in monday.com. These columns are incredibly useful for tracking engagement, monitoring when items were created, and quickly referencing specific items in your boards. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, make sure you're working in the monday.com web version with your board open. This is where you'll be adding these three powerful columns to enhance your board's functionality. Let's start by adding the vote column. Look to the right of your last column header and you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to open the column menu. In the search bar that appears, type vote. Once you see the vote option in the results, click on it to add the column to your board. Now, to actually cast a vote, click inside any cell in the vote column on the item you want to vote for, then click again to register your vote. If you want to remove your vote, simply click once more. What's really helpful here is that the column automatically shows the total votes and the number of unique voters at the bottom, giving you a clear overview of engagement across all items. Next, we'll add the creation log column. This column is perfect for tracking when items were originally created in your board. Click the plus icon to the right of the last column header. Again, this time, search for creation log in the search bar. When it appears in the results, click on creation log to add it to your board. Now here's a neat feature. Hover over any cell in this column and you'll see the exact creation time displayed. This is incredibly useful for auditing purposes or understanding your project timeline without having to dig through activity logs. Finally, let's add the pulse ID column, also known as the item ID column. This column gives each item a unique identifier that you can use for referencing, linking, or integrating with other tools. Click the plus icon to the right of the last column header one more time. In the search bar, type item ID. Click on item ID when it appears to add this column to your board. To use it, simply click on any cell in the item ID column. This allows you to copy either the item ID itself or the direct URL to that specific item, making it easy to share or reference in other platforms or communications. And there you have it. You've successfully added 3 essential columns to your monday.com board that will help you track votes, monitor creation times, and quickly reference specific items. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.